prosecute such acts of religious hatred. The international community must raise its collective voice against Islamophobia and work together to promote interfaith harmony and peaceful coexistence. Pakistan, for its part, will continue to raise the question of Islamophobia at the international level. This issue was a key point of telephone conversation of the Foreign Minister with his counterparts from Turkey and Iran and with the UN Secretary General and Secretary General of OIC. Issues pertaining to these recurrent acts of Islamophobia are being discussed at OIC headquarters in Jeddah and the Human Rights Council in Geneva. Last week, Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari also signed the host country agreement between Pakistan and International Fund for Agricultural Development, IFAD, which was co-signed by President of IFAD. As a result of the agreement, IFAD will set up its country office in Islamabad. The agreement formalizes the already existing substantial cooperation with IFAD, whose current portfolio across Pakistan totals $673 million, which is the second highest IFAD undertaking in the world. The UN Special Coordinator on Afghanistan visited Pakistan from 24th to 25th of July. In Islamabad, he held meetings with Minister of State for Foreign Affairs, Ms. Hina Rabbani Kar, Foreign Secretary Dr. Asad Majid Khan, and Special Representative on Afghanistan, Ambassador Asif Durrani, and Secretary Saffron, Pervez Ahmed Junaid. The discussions focused on importance of a coherent international strategy to engage with the Afghan interim government. Pakistan strongly condemns the provocative statement made by the Indian Defense Minister on 26th of July in Ladakh, boasting India's readiness to cross the line of control. These unwarranted and totally unacceptable remarks reflect India's hostility against its neighbors, Pakistan in particular. Pakistan is fully capable of defending itself against any aggression, as demonstrated in its forceful response to India's misadventure in February 2019. This is not the first time that India's political leaders and senior military officers have made such highly irresponsible and delusional remarks about Azad Jammu and Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan. They routinely engage in jingoistic rhetoric for political ends by stoking hyper-nationalism and anti-Pakistan sentiment. This practice of dragging Pakistan into Indian political discourse must end. These highly irresponsible statements also constitute a threat to regional peace and security and aim to destabilize the strategic environment in South Asia. While fully prepared to respond to India's provocations and irresponsible behavior, Pakistan will continue to act responsibly and contribute to all efforts for promoting peace, security, and stability in the region. Jammu and Kashmir is an internationally recognized disputed territory. India's claims on Azad Jammu and Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan are founded in fantasy. Neither history and international law, nor morality and the situation on ground can validate India's illusions. It should therefore direct its attention to full implementation of the relevant UNSC resolutions, which stipulate that the final disposition of the territory will be made in accordance with the will of the people, expressed through the democratic method of a free and impartial plebiscite conducted under the auspices of the United Nations. Pakistan will continue to extend political, diplomatic, and moral support to our Kashmiri brothers and sisters for the just and peaceful settlement of the Jammu and Kashmir dispute in accordance with the UN Security Council resolutions. I have an update on the Greek boat tragedy. The mortal remains of 15 Pakistanis who perished in the disaster have arrived in Pakistan and handed over to their families in the districts of Gujarat, Gujranwala, Mandi Bahauddin, Rawalpindi, Sheikhupura, Vehari, and Mirpur in Azad Jammu and Kashmir. Our mission in Greece facilitated the process of retrieval and transportation of the dead bodies. The Greek authorities have also informed that they have completed the process of DNA matching of the retrieved dead bodies. No additional Pakistani national has been identified among the deceased. Thank you.
ترجمان دفتر